Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am VJ and today I am going to teach you about the filter function in MS Excel. I will teach you two excellent uses of it. For example, here I have some records with names and courses, and I have added courses alongside the names. I want the office management students to be shown separately here, graphics students to be shown separately, and YouTube students to be shown separately as well. Besides that, I have added data on the second sheet, which includes courses, groups, and fees. Now, for example, if I add the title of any course here, then below all the courses relevant to that title or their grouping or their fees will be shown separately. For instance, when I wrote CAD here, it is showing the students enrolled in CAD. For example, if I type graphics here, then the students of graphics appear. And if I type office management here, then the students of office management are shown here as well. So how do we do all of this? Today, we will learn how to use the filter function. As always, before starting the lecture, I would like to say that if you learn something new from this video, please make sure to like and share it. So let's start today's lecture. First of all, you need to add data like this for practice. As you can see on the screen, I have already added this data. Now after that, we have to apply the function here. For this, what we will do is write equals to, and we want the students from office management to be separated from this database, graphic students to be separated, and YouTube students to be separated as well. We want to filter the data using the filter function. So first you have to type filter here. Then after that, you have to provide the range here. For example, here I have given the range for name, and then you need to press F4 on the keyboard so that we can lock this range. After that, type a comma. After typing the comma, you also need to give the range for courses here and press F4 on the keyboard. After that, you have to write is equal to, and here, whatever the main title is. Let's say we want to display the students of office management here. So we click here, close the bracket, and press enter. Now all the students of office management have appeared here very easily. In the same way, when we drag this forward, the students of graphics appear, and as we continue to drag forward, the students of YouTube are also shown separately here. So see how easily, even if you have thousands of entries here, you can filter the data very easily according to the title. After that, next, I am going to teach you how to apply the filter function in an empty cell here. So what do we do for this? First of all, we delete the data from here, and then we also delete this data here, and now we have to apply the formula here. We write is equal to, and after that you have to write the filter function here. Use the tab key so that the formula is easily added here. We will select the entire data, and after selecting the data, you have to put a comma here. Then after that, you have to specify the range for courses here, and then write is equal to and click on the empty cell where you want to filter your data by writing the title. After that, close the bracket and press enter. See, the calculation is not showing up here at all because nothing is written here. Now here we want to find out the students of GELP. I typed GELP. See, the students of GELP have appeared for me. If I want to find out about office here, I typed office management and pressed enter, and the students of office management appeared. Similarly, if we type CAD here, the students of CAD are shown here. So this was my lecture for today, which I taught you. In this, I showed you two excellent ways to use the filter function. I hope you definitely learned something new in today's lecture. If you like the video, please like it and share it with your friends. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.